Hey folks, Roberto here with Pinnacle Property, and I am here at Heritage Landing Golf and Country Club, and we're looking at lot 398. This is an Angelina floor plan, part of the executive line of homes that Lennar puts out here at Heritage Landing. This is part of the non-golf series, so you don't have a golf membership included with this, so no additional golf fees per year. Now, this home, as you can see, is quite a ways from being done, maybe another 6-7 months. However, let's take a walk straight outside and take a look at the viewpoint on this home. So you're gonna have an attractive lake view, and then directly behind the lake, what you see over there, those are the veranda condos. So nice sized lake all the way stretching down to the left and all the way to the right here. So the Angelina floor plan here, it's a 2+ den or 3 bedrooms, depending on how you want to use that third space. It does have a closet, so you could use it as a bedroom. It's 2061 under air, 2-car garage, really attractive floor plan. If you're interested in this home, hey, give me a call at all of the contact information below. We hope to hear from you soon. Thanks for watching.